Guys, it's almost 2021. I got a brand new all black tool setup to show you guys, so let's get to it. What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Guys, it's almost 2021. 2020's been a crazy year. I was watching some of my content and realized that I need to update my clipper videos. All of my tools have changed since I put out any content about the clippers that I use on the daily. So I wanted to update you guys. I hope you like that little intro that I did. I got a pretty sweet lineup right now, so I'm gonna walk you guys through what I use on the daily. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'm just gonna start from left to right. So first up, we have the custom Babyliss FX. This was a gift from my man, Dennis Joseph Babyliss. This is a custom FX. It's all blacked out except for the switch, the bottom ring, the lever, and the faceplate. And you guys can see it does have the graphite taper blade on the back, so this thing is murdered out. You guys see, of course, we have the Tomb45 Powerclip on the bottom. Guys, this clipper I use a lot for debulking. I like to throw a foreguard on this, cut the sides down, and get ready for my fade. I don't use it a lot for the fading because I don't love the notches on the side. But you guys have seen some videos where I've used this for the fade and they do come out sharp. But anyway, let's move on to the next one. This is my new workhorse, guys. I know you've seen it lately. This is my Stylecraft Absolute Alpha. Of course, I went with the all black. You guys know this comes with the blue and the pink covers. I went with the all black. It also has a Stylecraft taper blade on it that is black as well. I am running the Omnicord ceramic cutting blade. I do like how that cuts. If you guys haven't used them, you definitely should check them out. And this does come with the notches, guys. If you can see, what I did was I took the lever off. There's a little pin with a spring that's in here. I pulled it out, and now you guys can see we have the fluid lever with no notches. Next up, guys, Old Faithful. This is a Wall Cordless Senior with the black lid. Guys, I gotta be honest, these used to be my go-tos. I haven't picked them up in like 3 weeks. But this is a Cordless Senior. We got the Tomb45 Powerclip. It does have the Tomb45 Eco battery. I am rocking the Babyliss graphite taper blade on this. It will fit. And this is also the black Babyliss cutting blade. Guys, these are Old Faithful. They always cut well. But I got some new clippers that I've been using. And you guys know how it is. You get some new stuff, you use it for a while. But I know these will always hold it down if I need them. All right, so that's it for the clippers. Next up, we'll move over to Tremors. These are my custom skeletons that match my custom FX. Same thing, guys, all black with some gunmetal accents. It does have the graphite 2.0 cutting blade. That is the deep tooth blade. Of course, again, guys, power clip on it. You guys know I got a full mat, always charging. You just can't beat it. Next up, I have the Stylecraft Absolute Hitter. Guys, same thing as the Gamma Absolute Hitter, just a different colorway. Of course, I had to go with the all black, murdered out. You guys see my setup is all black. And these things have become slowly my favorite trimmer, guys. These will cut through all kinds of bulk. They do super sharp lines. They're small, like something like the old Detailer, where you can do designs. And they definitely hit harder than my Slimlines that we're about to go to next. But guys, these are what I'm using the most on the daily basis. So if you guys are looking for a trimmer that kind of does it all, they definitely improved these with the balding out. These bald out better than the first gen Absolute Hitters. And these are kind of my go-to, guys. They cut super sharp lines. They're good for detail work. They're good for designs. These are what I'm using most of the time. Last but not least, guys, I got a Andis Slimline Pro. You guys can see this is the custom carbon fiber skin from Omnicord. I don't know if you guys caught that video, but they messed up my order, accidentally didn't get it. So when they sent it back out, they did send it with a custom Seancutshair logo blade. And I think they are doing that now, guys, on their website. That's Omnicord. Guys, check out their website. They do have some other options on the blade. You guys can see, of course, we got the power clip on the bottom. It is the custom carbon fiber with the Seancutshair blade. This is my trimmer I use for my kids most of the time. They do cut pretty well. They're actually not very zero gapped at all, but they still cut well. So these are kind of my go-to. I balled out with these. I use them on kids. They're not too sharp. They're just kind of well-rounded, decent trimmers. Next up, guys, one of my favorite new additions, the Gamma Wireless Prodigy shaver. If you guys didn't know, this does charge wirelessly on my power mat. To be honest, guys, this shaver I won't say is hands down better than any of the others. I get asked a lot which shaver is the best. Honestly, I think all the shavers get the job done, but adding the wireless charging to this definitely makes it next level. And so this is definitely my favorite shaver right now. It does get the job done pretty well, but this is definitely one of my favorite new additions because I'm totally cordless now. The Babyliss Gold shaver was the last cord I had on my station, so we got this, and now we can wireless charge everything that we got. That's all the clippers that I use, guys. Real quick, I'm gonna run through a couple other things that I use on the daily, and then we'll wrap up the video. You guys already know I got the Beam Team XL airbrush. I just cleaned it, guys. It's spraying like a gem. But if you guys aren't aware, this is a cordless airbrush that also charges on the power mat. It builds its own air in here. It's not something you have to refill. It just builds its own air pressure as you turn it on. So it will build its own air pressure, and you guys can use it just like a corded airbrush, except it's all built in right here, and it does wirelessly charge as well. I don't think this has changed much, guys, but my day-to-day comb is a YS Park 332 carbon. This is a deep tooth at the front and a fine tooth at the back. This is my comb I use on every single head. I can use a wide teeth if I need to comb through some hard texture. I can use a fine teeth when I'm really trying to get a grip on the hair. The other comb I use on the daily, guys, this is a Utsumi 229. Guys, this is what I use for clipper over comb and shear over comb. It is also a carbon comb, so you guys can see I can hardly bend it. And that is what I like so much about this. The shears that I use on the daily, guys, are fresh shears. If you haven't seen that video, click the card above. I just got some new ones in. These are my 6-inch fresh shears, standard handle. These are what I do most of my bolt cutting with, all my point cutting with. These are great shears, guys. If you haven't checked it out, they have an awesome deal on trade-ins. They really take care of you. So guys, if you're looking for shears, you should definitely check them out. I have a standard fresh shears 42 thinning shear. Again, guys, this is what I use most of the time when I'm debulking or using thinning shears to blend. And I'm definitely very happy with these and all my fresh shears, to be honest. I just picked these up. They are 7-inch fresh shears. And guys, I'm gonna use these all day for some shear over comb. They're just gonna cover a lot of ground at once and make my job a lot easier. That's about it. Last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys, of course, we got the Seancutshair enhancement card. Use this every single day for some enhancements with my Tomb45 no drip and my Beam Team compressor. If you guys aren't aware, my website is down in the bottom corner. You guys check it out. Copy one if you do enhancements. I promise you won't be disappointed. Anyway, guys, that is my updated 2021 Barber toolkit. Hope you guys dig it. I definitely am loving the all black. To be honest, now I wish I got the all black power mat since I ended up with all black tools. But anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. Leave me a comment down below if you liked it. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I really appreciate it, guys. We are moving up. Next stop, 25K. But I'll catch you guys next time. Guys, I just dropped this exclusive blackout scribble tee just to go along with this video. You guys can see it is black on black. Head over to the website, Seancutshair.com, and grab you one. If you use the code BLACKOUT, I'm gonna give you guys free shipping and a free enhancement card. Make sure you guys grab one before they run out.